Hi, Tom. Hi, Bee.
Hi, Sarah. Sorry, have you been waiting long?
No, just 5 minutes.
Nice restaurant. Do they have pizza here?
Yes, but they also have many traditional dishes.
So, what are we waiting for? Let's go in.
Yes, let's go to the restaurant. Hello, I'm Sarah, and I'm here to make learning English easy for you. With animated adventures, fun quizzes, and relaxing repetitions. Ready for a language boost? Let the adventure begin.
Good evening, welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we booked a table for 3. And this is Leo, our dog.
Hello, Leo. Here's your table. The menu is on the table.
So many tasty things. Tom, what are you getting?
I'm not sure yet.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I will have a glass of red wine, please.
I prefer a glass of sparkling white wine.
I will have a bottle of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Sparkling, please.
I will be right back with your drinks.
Excuse me, I'm missing a fork.
I'm so sorry. I'll bring one right away.
And I have 2 forks, 1 spoon, but no knives.
And my napkin fell under the table. Could you bring me another napkin, please?
What a mess. I'm so sorry. I will fix everything right away.
Do we have everything now?
Let's check. Plate, glass, fork, knife, spoon, and a napkin. Yes, we have everything now.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet, we lost the menu.
Don't worry. For starters, we have bruschetta with tomato and basil, grilled vegetables, and the chef's selection appetizer.
A question, what's in the chef's selection appetizer?
It has ham, salami, and cheese.
No, I don't eat meat. I'm a vegetarian. What do you recommend?
I recommend the grilled vegetables. You'll get onions, courgettes, aubergines, and peppers.
Perfect, I'll have the grilled vegetables then.
I will try the chef's selection appetizer.
And for me, the bruschetta with tomato and basil.
Isn't Leo eating?
No, he's just drinking water. He will eat at home.
Here are your appetizers. The chef's selection. Vegetables and bruschetta. Enjoy your meal.
Tom, can you pass me the salt, please?
Sure, here's the salt. Do you want the pepper too?
No, thanks.
Can I get you anything else?
I'll have spaghetti bolognese, please.
And I'll have a Greek salad, but without oregano, please. I'm allergic to it.
And I'd like a grilled steak. Well done, please.
Would you like any sides? French fries? Salad?
I'd like both, please.
All right, so that's one spaghetti with meat sauce. Greek salad without oregano. And a steak with fries and salad. Got it.
The food was amazing.
Do you have room for dessert or coffee?
No way. We are full. We had such a lovely evening.
Okay, let's go home. Leo is hungry.
But first, a message for our YouTube friends. Want to learn more? Watch our practice video about this restaurant story. Boost your English with easy quizzes and speaking exercises.
And now, the bill, please.